Hello everyone, after a long time we are come back with this kind of videos in spoken English classes. So you can see in this video in our bari there are, you can see the onion saplings are there. So if you look closely, these are the onions. पास से दिखाइए थोड़ा. Onions, you can see there are gondali also. In Chhattisgarh it is known as gondali. Next thing is tulsi. You can see tulsi, which is used to purify the air. This is राख. So in winter season, मेरे तरफ दिखाइए कैसे जी. So in winter season we used to आगी seeking. So after the remnants of whatever is there, we will put here. It is also used as a khad. And the next thing we have is here dhania. This is small amount of dhania. There is a big amount of dhania. And there is a methi, and a beautiful flower, you can see, which is known as gonda. Different kind of gonda. This is light yellow color. I want to tell my videographer just show with a little bit zoom. This is light color gonda, and bhalwa type के एकदम मोटा गया है. And this is this gonda is a little bit dark color of yellow. It is also same color.
Stranded in the open.
And this gonda is also yellow color, but the shape is very different. You can see this is very guchha type, but this is only having a petal, alag kind of petal. So it is a different kind of. And what else we have? Lal bhaji is also there. But lal bhaji, before lal bhaji I want to show you timra bhaji. This is timra bhaji. Okay, I want to tell my videographer come close and look. The blue color phool is their flower of timra bhaji. I don't like personally this timra bhaji. मेरे तरफ भी दिखाइए. So I personally don't like this bhaji, but my wife like. And I like palak bhaji, spinach. So this is a palak का क्या नाम है? Palak, हाँ. So this is a palak bhaji, spinach. So I like this bhaji very much. So both bhaji is situated on the beside each other like we are using. And next small amount of lal bhaji is there. This is lal bhaji. This is lal bhaji. And that's it. वही में रानी जी मैं दिखाता हूँ. So we have made a small canal, also known as nali, which is used to provide water to methi, to dhania, coriander. Dhania means coriander. Methi, I don't know the English name. And spinach, timra bhaji. And एमा कुछ नहीं है, काय है, खाली है. ये कुछ timra है. अच्छा, so my father is saying there is also a timra which is not grown up right now. So that's it in our body. And there is a muli also. There are also muli. मतलब यहाँ पे मूली भी था, but it was not available right now. So there is one मूली there, we can see. I want to show my cameraman. तीर में आइए. हाँ, which color दिख जाएगा. So this is a मूली. You can see. I want to. You can see. This is a मूली, which is I was saying. It was चिरा गया था, so we have wasted फेंक दिए. So that's it. And other than we have a papita tree, papaya on that above side. And yes, there are many papaya. 15 to 20. On my side there is a ripe one papaya is there. I want to show you there. If I want to zoom, you can see it is a ripe one papaya. 1, 2. It is around 50 to 21 papaya is there. And there is a kasihi ped, which the pan of this kasihi ped is also used in panpurwa roti. And this is my wife jhanking and bhagging ati speed. This is अले वाह अब का है हमारे घर में. हाँ, you can see there is a white color flower which is known as a mandar, I think. So here you can see this is a mandar flower. So my face mandar flower. And other than we have another tulsi ped is there here. And I don't know, this is बांस I think. But हम लोग बांस क्यों जगाए हैं पता नहीं. So बांस. So in Chhattisgarh area, बांस is I think nationalized some plant, something, I don't know, minor category. And there is a one thorny plant, कांटेदार plant. This is, I don't know the name. Its leaves are very thick in surface wise. It is a yellow flower, I don't know the name. And that's it. ये क्या है पता नहीं. I think it is that kind of mandar. You can see there. Give me, I will show them. So this is this kind of mandar, which is a yellow and reddish type. So this is it. And the most important thing, the Bendra's favorite, the bihi, which you know as a guava. So I will show you one guava. There is a one in very distant, you can see. I will zoom. There are where is that? हाँ, so almost it is चिरा गया है, but टूटे ही को चिले. हाँ, so you can see the upper branches we have cut down because it was covering the whole area and protecting the sunlight. And this is the winter season, so we are not getting the proper sunlight on that side. So that's why we have cut this, and also it is attracting the many monkeys, so that's why we have cut down that. So it is another papaya tree, again golinda bhanta type ka flower. And that's it. So I don't know what we have other than this. Thank you so much for watching.